For number 10, we have a picture of parallel lines cut by a transversal, and we have to first name the angle relationship for the position of 23x plus 1 and the 27x minus 19. So I noticed that their position is located outside of the parallel lines, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. One's on the left side, one's on the right side. So the name of these would be alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior. And since we have parallel lines, we can use our color pattern where we color in this picture, and the yellows represent the obtuse angle and the reds represent the acute angle. I noticed that the position of 23x plus 1 is open wider than 90, so I would color this in yellow, and therefore the one directly across from it, vertical, also has to be yellow. And then the other angle pair would be my reds, my acute. Once I color the top group of 4, the bottom group of 4 should be identical. So this would be the position of the reds, and this would be the position of the yellows. Taking a look at my two expressions, I notice that they both land on yellow. So since they're exactly the same color, I know their measurements have to be identical, and therefore I can create an equation and solve for x. So I know that since they land on the same color, they're equal to each other. So 23x plus 1 is equal to 27x minus 19. So in order to solve this, I'm going to move the x's to the left side. So subtract 23x from both sides. So on the left side, I'm left with 1. And on the right side, I'm left with 4x minus 19. Now that I move the x's to the right, I'm going to move the constants to the left by adding 19 to both sides. So on the left side, I have 20. And on the right side, I have 4x. One last step to isolate the x, divide both sides by 4. So I get x is 5.